Hello aspirants, welcome to Civil Steps YouTube channel. Recently, Reserve Bank of India allowed regional rural banks to access the Liquidity Adjustment Facility, that is LAF, Marginal Standing Facility, that is MSF, and Call or Notice Money Market. At present, regional rural banks are not permitted to access the liquidity window of the RBI as well as the call or notice market. In this video, we are going to cover the important points regarding regional rural banks, that is, what are regional rural banks? Next, liquidity adjustment facility, marginal standing facility, and in last, call oblique notice money market. Now, first we start with the regional rural banks. They were set up as state sponsored, regionally based and rural oriented institutions under the Regional Rural Bank Act 1976. They were set up on the basis of the recommendation of the Narsimhan Working Group 1975. They are regulated by Reserve Bank of India and supervised by NABARD. Remember, it is NABARD. They are jointly owned by the center, state government concerned, and sponsor banks with the issue capital share in the proportion of 50%, 15% and 35% respectively. They are basically three major mandates of regional rural banks. The first mandate is to serve the credit needs of the small and marginal farmers. Second, agricultural laborers. Next, socio-economically weaker section of the population for the development of agriculture, trade, commerce, industry and other productive activities. Remember these mandate. It is important for your exam. They can directly ask you in UPSC. Second mandate is to reduce regional imbalances and increase rural employment generation activities. Third mandate is to develop such measures which could restrict the outflow of rural deposits to urban areas. So they want to restrict rural savings in rural area only. But there are some issues faced by RRBs also. So now we'll see what are the issues faced by RRB. Number one, inadequate finance. Number two, high overdue and poor loan recovery. Number three, lack of technology. Number four, procedural rigidities. Now we will talk about LAF, that is Liquidity Adjustment Facility. Liquidity Adjustment Facility is used in monetary policy which enables banks to borrow money through repurchase agreement, that is repo, against the collateral of government securities including state government securities. So remember these collaterals, or banks to lend to the RBI using reverse repo contract. So this is about LAF. Now next is marginal standing facility. It is a very short term borrowing scheme for scheduled commercial banks. It has been introduced by RBI to reduce volatility in the overnight lending rates in the interbank markets, and also to enable smooth monetary transmission in the financial system. So remember these facts. Marginal standing facility rate is generally higher than repo rate. And now in the last we'll talk about call oblique notice money market. Very interesting tool. Call oblique notice money market forms an important agent of the Indian money market. Last year इसके ऊपर we have find one question also. Under call money market, funds are transacted on overnight basis, and under notice money market, funds are transacted for the period between 2 days and 14 days. Okay, so in this video we have learned about regional rural banks, liquidity adjustment facility, marginal standing facility, and in the last, call oblique notice money. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the Civil Steps YouTube channel for more good videos for your UPSC prelims exam. Thank you.